You can easily create an assignment for your students to complete by coming to the Assessments tool, come down to Assignments. When it opens up, you'll give the assignment a title and then the instructions for the student. So take time to be very clear with the instructions, especially for these online-based assignments, so students can complete it without any questions on their own and when they're outside of class. So clear instructions. Once you've entered your instructions, you can scroll down. If you want to attach a file, you do so here. Continue to scroll down and you'll have the option to give a due date. This function is very important because it will also attach to the calendar, and when an item is attached to the calendar, then students will be prompted to do it from the main menu of Blackboard and also be able to keep up with it through our calendar function. Attach a due date and whatever time you want it to be submitted by. Now are your grading options. Since most of us run on a percentage grade book, you'll add probably 100, but you can make it any amount of points you'd like. Open up submission details and you can decide if you want to make this a group submission or an individual submission. And you can decide if you want to change the amount of attempts students receive. It's often a good learning tool to offer students maybe 2 attempts so you can give feedback and let them resubmit, but this will be up to the assignment that you're creating. If you come down further, you will see the display of grades. Here, all things that are created or imported into Blackboard come in as a score, and since most of us use the percentage grade book, you'll want to use the drop-down box to change that to percentage. Just beneath is a column to include in Grade Center grading calculations. Since this is checked, it'll be pulled automatically into the gradebook. If you uncheck it, for kind of a practice assignment or something that is low or no stakes to be submitted, then you can uncheck this and it won't attach to the gradebook. Continue to scroll down and you have a choice of when to make your assignment available. Remember, if this box is unchecked, then it does not matter what dates are set. Students won't be able to see it. So if your assignments aren't showing up in student view, it's a good idea to come in and make sure this box is checked. Set your date limitations that you want and hit submit. And if we scroll down to the bottom, our example assignment is ready to go.